This tomorrow, bibigay natin kay Finn. We're gonna build it up. Ta-timing natin to. Actually, nahanap lang to ni Camille online, second hand. 50 off kasi wala, hindi na kailangan ng anak niya. So, yeah, I guess always great to buy second-hand stuff for your kids or your baby kasi they'll outgrow it, right? Hopefully not. Hello, Dubai. It is currently 38 degrees and ito yung mga golfers, mga new age golfers ng Dubai.
Double bogey boys.
Ayan, no? Sa forma, panalo na. Tingnan mo, mga bagong...
You can perform, Japor!
Dahil dyan, magpa-practice na ako. So, yung mag-partner, si Bri and si Jude. And then, kalaban namin, bali sila. And then, ito yung partner ko.
Trash to ko muna sila dito. Trash to kan na wala pa. Sila sa iwargaw.
Jay, anong pakiramdam, Jay?
Sarap. Excited, no? Never in my life na ito pala yung first ko. Kasama ko si JP.
Naks.
First. Yung feed check.
Ano yung fit?
Food Joy Marquee.
Oo.
Here. New Balance short. Food Joy.
Ganda, pre. Ganda.
Pero walang natalo sa akin yan. Pero yung datingan din siya.
Ito maganda rin, no? Street naman, street.
Streetwear tayo ngayon.
Ano yan?
Japanese brand, Captain Helms, Zara, tapos Jordan.
Jordan.
Si Jordan.
Tapos Zara? Pang
Yes,
golf?
Zara.
Pwede
Zara
pa-
Golf.
Meron Zara
Oo,
Golf?
meron chef. Zara Golf. Sa Zara Home.
Gordon Miller.
Gordon Miller.
Groundworks.
Groundworks. Angas.
Yardbird socks. Tapos Reebok.
Reebok na Club C. Vintage.
Tapos, ito, antibiotics.
Angas, ang ganda nung ano. Gusto ko yung top. Coffee check, bro.
Gamichi, Slazenger Golf, Nike shorts, Salomon, Nike socks,
Angas.
Bogeyman.
Bogeyman. Ayun sila.
Ito na yung pinaka-fashion na flight na
Oo, tama.
experience ko.
Kita. True.
Ayan, o.
Ayun yung first go.
Hello, kamusta?
Hello.
Ayan, mga kasama namin.
Fashion flight.
Hindi na namin, wala to sa...
Sa laro, wala sa swing. Nasa forma.
You can perform.
Japor. Yeah.
Tignan natin mga palo nila kung okay. Wow, diretso. Wow, parang maganda ang simula. Baka simula lang. Oh guys. This is Dubai. It's a championship course. It's called Dubai Creek. Hi kuya, kamusta?
Buti, hindi yung kainit yung mahangin, no?
Oo, maganda pa nang
Maganda panahon nga ngayon eh.
Kaya punong-puno.
Kahapon grabe, sobrang humid.
Kapag naglaro kami, alas 4 ang dito din.
Kami, puno lang.
Sabi nga ni Alvin, surprise, puno kami. Sabi ko, kasi maganda na yung weather niyan. Niya, kaya ito yung sabi ko.
Parehas pala kami walang ganito.
Oh, si Chef.
Punto.
Pwede na yan. Nice shot!
Out na out mo, chef. Safe. Ano to bro?
Kumating for par tayo. Much needed par. Hindi nyo mahanap bola nyo?
Nahanap na nga. Yung una kong tira maganda.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ko mahanap yung bola. Di ba, tol?
Oo.
Yung lakad ball eh.
Nice shot! Straight! Go! Ako na short, bro.
Pa? Teka lang.
Short pa!
Isyete ko nga.
Oo.
So may konting construction dito sa bahay, sa kwarto ni Finn. Camille decided to be a super mom. So this is all Camille installed this. This is not done yet, right? This is 30%, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a video later again. Alis muna tayo.
Tama ba? Ito yung...
Yeah. Then, may isa pa kaming gift for Finn later. This one. Kasi he loves loader. He's gonna go nuts, but we'll show this tomorrow because he's gonna get overwhelmed. We're gonna keep it here. Hindi kita. Currently here at Sharjah. This is a warehouse where we are storing some of our stuff. So Sharjah is a 40 to 1 hour drive from Dubai, depending where you are in Dubai. And then Sharjah para siyang I guess Pampanga or Bulacan. Tama ba guys? Yeah. So dito kami nag-rent ng warehouse para sa mga gamit namin sa old kuya namin sa Marina. And then sa lahat nagtatanong, currently we are in the process of moving to a new place. Pero it's been almost 2 years na hindi kami makahanap pa or hindi kami makalipat pa sa pwesto talaga na gusto namin tawaging bago naming home. Right now, we're in a food hall in Market Island, Dubai Festival City, and that is sort of like a sub-branch. And then the main branch is hopefully soon. So here we are fixing our stuff kasi ang dami namin gamit and kailangan namin ibenta or itapon na yung mga iba. Okay, tara. Astig ng warehouse actually, aircon siya. It is almost 40 degrees outside. Oh my golly. Pero yun nga, itong warehouse ay AC. Dito na sila Mario. Op! Hindi pa natin namatay yung ilaw. Grabe. Gatagi ang init kung sa Ilonggo. Yeah, so yun lang, konting life update. And then yeah, masaya yung goals the other day or yesterday. We started at 5 kasi mainit eh. And then hanggang 9 holes lang. And 2 years since I played golf, and it was not bad. Score was pretty high, pero happy. Okay. Hello, brother. Kuya, upstairs? Okay. Dito na yung mga boys nagsasegregate kami. So ito yung mga gamit namin sa may ref. Wow, nakamada na ng ayos oh. And ito sila Mario. Hi Mario.
Ay sir, ito na sir yung ating ipapababa. Natawag ako ng forklift at hindi kakayanin nito yung gulong.
Pagod sir, pagod. Dami namin ngayon nandun sa labas. Ito sir, lahat ng anak.
Basta Mario.
Sir, basta.
We're gonna have Korean food because it's the last day of Kumusta, yung show namin yung show na shoot namin sa Korea with sila Jody, Ji Chang-wook, RC. Timing na itong sunglasses na to binigay ni Ji Chang-wook. Binigyan niya kami ng tag-isa. Lahat kami, Chef Kim, sila, yun, lahat. Jody, RC, Francine, Janela. Okay. Dito na. Okay, sana may parking. Okay, eto. Let's go inside. Hello. Hi, table for one. I am craving for How many years? 2002.
Means now 26 means 24 years.
24 years. One branch? One in Abu Dhabi and one here. Parang naalala ko tuloy yung Kumusta. Kasi sa Kumusta, meron rin kaming ganito. May chicken skin, may achara, may tokwa and toge. Hindi, toge and then tokwa. What we did is parang yun nga, we served it in a Korean way of serving your appetizers, pero Pinoy. So, I guess yun, nakaka-relate sila. Nakaka-relate yung mga guests natin. And ito yung kagandahan sa Korean food because you have all these appetizers and you can top them up. And you just can't take them home. Let's open the pot with some kimchi. Ang. So good. Anything that's close to the bone and with fat is good. And then sticky rice. Yeah. Thank you. Can I get some sesame oil? Thank you. Ayan, mga kapwa nating Pinoy. Ay. Thank you so much. Sesame oil. And salt. Thank you. Alright, thanks. Na-notice ko, again, dito sa UAE, mga Filipinos, isa talaga sa pinaka-okay na market when it comes to food. Kasi, and hindi dahil na Filipino ako, sinasabi ko yan. Dahil, marami na rin nagsabi. And if you go to the mall or to mga food establishments, you will always see a Filipino family. Kasi, mga Filipino, mahilig kumain ng ibang cuisine, maliban sa Filipino cuisine. So I guess we always celebrate and gather through food. And, I mean, compared to other nationalities, say, and I say this objectively, say Indian. Normally, may certain segment actually, maybe. So, hindi naman lahat. So, I guess, say mo Chinese. Parang, pag Chinese, Chinese na lang. Pag Chinese, ang gusto nilang kainin, Chinese lang palagi. Isa na rin ako dyan actually. Pag Indian, yung gusto nilang kainin, mostly Indian lang. Filipinos, again, we love Chinese, we love Korean, Japanese especially. We like Arabic cuisine here. We also sometimes like Indian, pero some of us can't really handle the spice. So yeah, sorry, na-distract ako. Chat. Natapon. Anyways, nagawa ko sesame oil, asin. Yeah, lagyan ko ng bawang. Chile, wag na. And I have 30 minutes kasi si Camille is waiting for me. We have a meeting with Chef Noel of the real inventor of Dubai chocolate. Ooh, look at that. Since mag-isa lang ako, isang ulam lang in-order ko. Total meron namang appetizer. Tsaka, medyo tumitipid din ako lately. Yung sesame oil talaga, parang inaangat niya. Parang same with olive oil. Diba when you say have bread, you finish it off with olive oil, or say an omelette in the morning, running eggs, you finish it off with olive oil. Steak, you finish it off with olive oil. gold grilled fish, you finish off with olive oil. Same. Or chicken inasam, you finish it off with chicken oil. Anyway, okay. Daldal ko, kain na. Hindi ko pa ginagalaw yung kanin kasi nagpapabusog pa ako para hindi ko ubusin yung kanin. Kapon kasi after golf, dami kong kinain sa bahay. Sabi, parang nagwala ako. Alam mo yung mga, there are just days na you just let go. So that was last night. Today, I'm not gonna let go. Not yet. Hi. Can I take this away? And then, can you give me some sauce? Just this one. Okay. Thank you. Worth it. Kanina sobrang gutom ako, mga anong oras na? 3. So yun, this place hits the spot. I mean, when you go to a restaurant and then it just hits the spot and you feel great and parang kontento ka. That's what I'm feeling right now. Ayun yung sapatos ni Chef Noel. Hello. Hi. Hi. Ayaw nga pala.
If you wanna lose weight,
Uy! Hey, Shen! Yan na na-enjoy siya.
Oo, sir. Hindi naman ako sabi niya.
Hindi ka, oh?
Bumangon na lang. Wow! Sabi niya, hindi na video ni ma'am.
Ah, talaga? Nung bumangon siya, nag-wow.
Sabi niya, di ba dati umiiyak yan?
Oo.
Hindi na umiyak, tumanoy na. Tapos tinignan lahat.
Fen, are you happy? Are you happy? Busy, oh.
Pansin na.
So,
Ayaw na din lumabas.
so Fen, what's this? Did you see this, Fen? Car. Okay. Ladybug. What?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Where's the strawberry?
Strawberry fin. Taas.
Here. Where's the dog?
Gising. Natulog ulit, sabi ni ma'am. Then nung nandyan na kami sa labas, naggising na lang, nakatayo na dyan. Naglalaro na.
Finn, where's the window of the airplane? Where's the window of the airplane? Wow!
Nasa plane cafe.
Do you wanna ride the plane?
Yeah.
Ay. Pero hindi niya pa nakita yung isa yung regalo. Bukas na siguro yan. Are you happy with the kitchen? Mama made that.
Dapat, bilhan pa ni ma'am ng mga itlog na luto-lutuin niya.
Ay, oo, no.
Wala kasi
Wala pang pagkain.
Oo, hindi pa siya,
Finn, are you gonna be a chef? You don't have to be a chef, okay? I have a question for you.
Car.
Do you like loader?
Yeah.
Do you like loader? Do you want to ride loader?
Yeah.
Big loader.
Tingnan mo mata niyo. Can Dada give you a gift?
You want a big loader?
Yeah.
Big?
Loader.
Big? Big loader?
Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.
Alam niya na. You have to sit here. Okay? Dada will get loader.
You have to wait, okay? You have to be patient.
Sit here. Sit there.
Wow. No.
Sit.
You know that Dada has a surprise for you? Finn, look outside, look outside.
Pound, 1, 2, 3.
Look outside, outside. There's loader outside.
1.
Go.
Finn.
Finn.
Finn. Finn, it's a loader.
Babe, na-shock yata siya.
Hindi niya akalain. Ito ba to? Sabi.
It's a loader. How's that? Big loader.
Yeah, you said you wanted a big loader.
Dada?
Ha? Ewan ko pa kung lalabas na yan.
Hindi ilabas
Ay,
nyo.
ilabas nyo.
Oo.
Mali. This is an excavator, not a loader.
Natutunan yung
Loader. Pero lahat sa kanya loader. Oo.
Are you happy?
Ben?
Ngiti nyo.
Hindi mo. Ang tuwa ka.
Finn, are you happy with your excavator?